In this problem, it says let x times quantity x plus 1 plus y times the quantity y plus 1 equals 29, and x plus y plus 2xy equals 11. And we want to determine the absolute value of x minus y. First, let me rewrite this by distributing in the x and the y. So this is going to be x squared plus x plus y squared plus y equals 29. Now, what do we do with these two equations? Well, what we do is we're going to take these two equations and subtract them. So we have x plus y plus 2xy equals 11. Now, what happens when we subtract them? Well, the x's and the y's are gone. And we're going to take 2xy and subtract it. Now, I'm going to write it with the minus 2xy in the middle. And then over here we have 29 minus 11, which is 18. Now, why would we write it like this? Well, getting rid of the x and the y and just leaving it like this, we can factor this, because what we have is we have a perfect square trinomial. This is x minus y times x minus y. X times x is x squared, negative y times negative y is y squared, and these two, the outside and inside pairs, both combine to give us negative xy. So what we can do is we can write this as quantity x minus y squared equals 18. Now, what are we solving for? We're solving for the absolute value of x minus y. Well, we have x minus y squared. So to get what we want, we just take the square root. So we have x minus y equals plus or minus the square root of 18. Now, because we want absolute value, that means we're only going to get the positive square root of 18. But since this is not in proper format for the answer, because we need to simplify this radical. So we cannot take the square root of 18, but we can take a square root of one of its factors. That is 9. So we'll break that up, square root of 9 times square root of 2. So that gives us 3 square root of 2. There's our answer, and we're done.